From space, our planet is a breathtaking swirl of blue and white. But look closer, and you'll see a new pattern emerging. A network of light, a grid of power, spreading across continents. This isn't just electricity, it's a revolution. A quiet, powerful shift towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. For generations, we relied on finite resources. But today, we are harnessing the elemental forces of nature itself, the sun, the wind, and the water. We're building monuments of engineering on a scale never seen before, marvels that will power our world for centuries to come. These are not just power plants, they are beacons of hope. Join us as we journey across the globe to witness the 10 largest renewable energy projects on Earth. The colossal giants leading our charge into a new era of clean power. Our countdown begins in China with a titan of hydropower. At number 10 is the Baihetan Hydropower Station, with a staggering capacity of 16,000 megawatts. This is the second largest hydropower plant ever constructed. Its massive dam harnesses the power of the Jinsha River, a major tributary of the Yangtze. Baihetan is a masterpiece of modern engineering, featuring 16 of the world's largest hydroelectric generating units. Each turbine is a giant, capable of producing 1 gigawatt of power. Building it required moving mountains and redirecting rivers, a testament to human ambition. The clean energy it generates is equivalent to burning over 19 million tons of coal each year, preventing immense carbon emissions and paving the way for a greener energy grid. It stands as a symbol of scale and precision in the world of renewable energy. For number 9, we travel to South America, to the border of Brazil and Paraguay. Here lies the legendary Itapu Dam. For decades, it held the title of the world's most productive hydroelectric plant. With a capacity of 14,000 megawatts, Itapu is a binational marvel, co-managed by 2 countries to power millions of homes. In a single year, it has generated more electricity than any other dam on the planet, a record it held for many years. The dam itself is an immense structure, its length stretching nearly 8 kilometers. The sheer volume of water it manages is incredible, a constant roaring testament to the power of the Parana River. Itapu is more than just a power station. It's a symbol of international cooperation and a cornerstone of energy security for 2 nations, showcasing how shared resources can lead to shared prosperity. Returning to China's mighty Jinsha River, we find our number 8, the Zilwodu Hydropower Station. This architectural wonder boasts a capacity of 13,860 megawatts. What makes Zilwodu truly extraordinary is its design. It features a stunning 285-meter-high double-curvature arch dam, one of the tallest of its kind in the world. This elegant curved structure is engineered to withstand immense water pressure while using less concrete than a traditional gravity dam. The station is a critical component of China's West Houston power transmission project, sending vast amounts of clean electricity to the country's booming eastern provinces. Zilwodu represents a perfect blend of power and grace, a massive structure that works in harmony with the dramatic landscape of the river valley it calls home. At number 7, we journey back to Brazil, to the heart of the Amazon basin, to witness the Belo Monte Dam. This is one of the most complex and controversial engineering projects ever undertaken. With a capacity of 11,233 megawatts, Belo Monte's design is unique. It's a run-of-the-river plant, meaning it relies on a vast network of canals and dikes to divert the flow of the Xingu River, rather than creating a single massive reservoir. This approach was intended to minimize the flooded area, but its construction sparked global debates about environmental impact and social responsibility. Belo Monte forced engineers to pioneer new techniques for building in a sensitive ecosystem. It stands as a powerful lesson in the delicate balance between our growing energy needs and the critical importance of preserving our planet's most precious natural habitats. Now, we shift our focus from water to wind. At number 6 is the Gansu Wind Farm in China, also known as the Jiuquan Wind Power Base. This is not just a single farm, but a sprawling collection of large-scale wind farms spread across the vast arid landscapes of Gansu Province. With a current operational capacity of over 8,000 megawatts and plans to expand to 20,000, it's one of the largest onshore wind projects in the world. Imagine a landscape where turbines stretch as far as the eye can see, their blades spinning in unison, harvesting the relentless desert winds. This wind farm corridor is a key part of China's ambitious goal to lead the world in wind energy. It's a stunning example of how we can turn desolate, windy plains into powerful sources of clean, renewable electricity for millions. Continuing with wind energy, we stay in China for number 5, the Jiuquan Wind Power Base. While often grouped with Gansu, this megaproject stands on its own as a monumental achievement in renewable energy. With a planned capacity of 20,000 megawatts and over 10,000 megawatts already in operation, it is a true giant. The base is located in the Gobi Desert, a region with some of the richest wind resources on the planet. Building and operating a project of this scale in such a remote and harsh environment presents immense logistical challenges. It required the construction of new high-voltage transmission lines stretching over 2,000 kilometers to deliver its power to central and eastern China. Jiuquan represents a national-level commitment, a strategic initiative to transform the energy landscape of the world's most populous country. From the power of the wind, we now turn to the power of the sun. Our number 4 is the Tengger Desert Solar Park in China. Known as the Great Wall of Solar, this vast sea of photovoltaic panels covers over 43 square kilometers of desert. With a capacity of over 1,500 megawatts, it was once the largest solar park in the world. From above, the sight is mesmerizing. Endless rows of deep blue panels shimmering under the desert sun, transforming one of the planet's most arid regions into a powerhouse of clean energy. The Tengger project demonstrates the incredible potential of solar power when deployed on a massive scale. It turns barren land into a productive asset, capturing pure solar energy and feeding it directly into the grid, proving that our deserts can be oases of power. For number 3, we travel to India, to the arid state of Rajasthan. Here lies the Bhadla Solar Park, the current largest solar farm in the world in terms of sheer area and capacity. Spanning a colossal 14,000 acres, this project has a total capacity of 2,245 megawatts. The region experiences some of the highest solar irradiation in the country, but also extreme heat and frequent sandstorms, creating a challenging environment for technology and maintenance. Despite this, Bhadla stands as a triumph of engineering and a cornerstone of India's ambitious renewable energy goals. It's a collaboration of multiple developers, all working together to create a single, massive solar hub. Bhadla is a shining example of how dedication and innovation can overcome environmental challenges to build a brighter, cleaner future. We arrive at number 2, a structure so immense it has redefined the very concept of a power station, the Three Gorges Dam in China, with a final installed capacity of 22,500 megawatts. It is, by a significant margin, the world's largest power station of any kind. Its primary purpose may be flood control for the Yangtze River, but its hydroelectric output is legendary. For over a decade, it has been the single largest source of renewable energy on the planet. The scale of the Three Gorges Dam is difficult to comprehend. The dam wall itself is over 2 kilometers long and 185 meters high, creating a reservoir that stretches over 600 kilometers upstream. It is a monumental feat of human engineering, a project that has fundamentally reshaped a landscape and an entire nation's energy profile. And now, we reach the pinnacle. Number 1. This isn't just a single plant, but the next evolution in clean energy. The Yangjiang Integrated Clean Energy Base in China, this region represents the world's largest and most advanced clean energy hub, with a combined capacity that pushes beyond 24,000 megawatts and is still growing. What makes it unique is its hybrid approach. It integrates the world's largest offshore wind farm with massive solar installations and is supported by the consistent, reliable baseload power from the nearby Yangjiang Nuclear Power Station. This synergy creates a stable 100% clean grid on an unprecedented scale. It's a vision of the future, where different clean energy sources work together, managed by smart grids to provide constant, reliable power. This isn't just about size, it's about integration, reliability, and creating a blueprint for the future of global energy. From the rushing force of our rivers to the endless expanse of our deserts and the unstoppable power of the wind, we have seen what humanity can achieve. These 10 giants are more than just steel and concrete. They are a declaration, a promise to future generations that we will rise to the challenge. As we look at our planet, glowing with these new networks of clean power, one thing is certain: the future is not written in coal or oil. It is written in the light of the sun, the breath of the wind, and the strength of the water. The future belongs to clean power. Thank you for watching, and if you were inspired by this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation for a cleaner tomorrow.